first step is to go to Claude AI and go to Customize Connectors, add custom connector, name it whatever you want. I'll name it Eterna, and paste put the MCP server here, and you can find it at ai.eterna.exchange. After you click Get Started, Claude, and here you have the MCP URL. You can copy it, go to Claude and paste it here. So if you can see mcp.eterna.exchange / MCP, then that's the correct URL. And you click Add. And then you click Connect. Then you should see a screen like this one. Well, actually, you will see a screen to sign in with Google. I'm already signed in. That's why I see this next screen. But essentially, after you sign in with your Google account, you will see this screen to authorize Claude to access your MCP server and trading tools. And you click Authorize. And then you're redirected back to Claude. And you will see this needs approval thing here on the right. You can leave it as it is, but you will have to approve every command Claude wants to run. And if you want Claude to be able to do all these things autonomously, then you can click Always Allow, and then your AI agent will work much more smoothly. So now Claude is able to connect to Eterna MCP, but it doesn't really know how to work with it. And that's what we need skills for. And Eterna MCP has its own skills that I'll show you how to install now. So you need to go to this link. If you click that link, you will download a zip file with a skill. And then what you need to do is you need to go to your Claude, Customize Skills, click this plus button, create skill, upload a skill, and then select that zip file. And what Claude will do is it will load the Eterna skill, and you will see something like what I see here. It should be called Eterna Trading Agent. All right, so now we can just simply call that, reference that skill we just uploaded by typing / Eterna Trading Agent. And let Claude work on it, and it will work with us. Now, I already have my accounts set up. So I'll probably see something a little bit different than you guys. This is how AI agents work. We'll all see something slightly different. For me, it outputted a portfolio, like what's my equity, how much capital do I have available for trades, and my currently open positions. For you, it will probably do a market research and recommend a trade. So I'll simulate what you guys will see by saying perform technical analysis and recommend a position to open. Because it's in the skill that if your balance is 0, which currently it is, the AI agent should perform technical analysis and recommend a position to open. So currently it's scanning markets to unearth promising trading opportunities. Here's like details of the position it recommends. And I already have some capital on my account, but you guys don't. So what I would recommend you guys do is saying to your agent something like, generate a deposit address for me to send USDT on, and now the network that you're having your capital on can be Ethereum, can be Binance Smart Chain, whatever you have. I'll just say Arbitrum. Once you send the USDT, I recommend you say something like, I have sent USDT. Tell me when the deposit lands on my account. and transfer funds to the trading account. And once you get your deposit address, you deposit your USDT, and then you can ask your agent to open the position it recommended. So for example, it recommended a position on ZEC. So we can say open a position on ZEC that you've recommended. And using that Eterna MCP, you can also trigger a withdrawal of the funds you deposited. Basically, once you want to realize some of the profits you made trading with your AI agent, you can easily do that with Claude as well. All right, order placed. Now I want to show you how you can automate this so that your AI agent can trade while you sleep. And for that, importantly, we have to go to this code thing in Claude. So you open a sidebar and click code. And what you want to do here is click routines. And I'll go here and copy these instructions here. Copy. And okay, you go to routines, new routines. You name it however you want. I'll do automated trading. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Automated trading. And for instructions, you can put whatever you want. Something I did previously and it worked nicely is check current positions, perform technical analysis on pairs that currently have an open position, and use that information to manage risk. Should the position be closed, essentially manage currently open positions. So that's the first step. And then next, perform technical analysis to find market opportunities. If anything looks like forming a strong pattern or having a good entry point, open a position with stop loss and take profit. And you can run that on schedule. You can do it hourly, for example, at minute 0 or 15 or whatever, and then your AI agent will check the market every hour and manage your trading portfolio. And importantly, you want to keep your Eterna MCP connector here. Otherwise, your agent will not know what to do with your query because it will not have access to Eterna MCP. And with that, you can click create, and now it will next run on the next o'clock hour, or I can run it now. Thank you everyone for joining and building with us alongside.